Ever wondered what the future of space exploration looks like? Well, strap in and let's take a journey through the cosmos to explore the dawn of next-generation spacecraft. We're not talking about mere upgrades or tweaks to existing technology, but revolutionary advancements that will redefine our understanding of space travel. The first game-changer on our radar is the development of reusable rockets. Now, this might sound like a plot out of a science fiction movie, but it's rapidly becoming our reality. Picture this: a rocket that can launch a payload into space, return to Earth, land upright, and then do it all over again. This isn't just a cool trick, it's a monumental shift in economics. By reusing rockets, we drastically cut the cost of space travel, making it more accessible and feasible for scientific and commercial ventures. Next up, we have solar sails, a technology that harnesses the power of sunlight for propulsion. Yes, you heard that right. We're literally sailing through space on beams of light. This technology has the potential to send spacecraft to the farthest reaches of our solar system and beyond, at speeds that conventional rockets could only dream of. It's a bit like hitching a ride on a cosmic highway, and it's set to open up a whole new realm of exploration possibilities. Last, but certainly not least, we have ion drives. Ion drives are a type of electric propulsion that uses ions to create thrust. They're incredibly efficient, enabling long-duration missions and making deep space exploration a tangible reality. Imagine reaching the outer planets or even interstellar space within a human lifetime. With ion drives, this could be possible. Together, these technologies are more than just the sum of their parts. They're the building blocks of a new era of exploration, where the farthest corners of the cosmos are within our reach. The dawn of next-generation spacecraft opens a new chapter in the history of space exploration, setting the stage for unprecedented discoveries. But what does the exploration of new worlds mean for us? Well, the answer lies in the heart of our insatiable curiosity. As humans, we've always been explorers, driven by a desire to know what lies beyond the horizon. This innate curiosity and thirst for knowledge has propelled us to the farthest reaches of our planet, and now it's taking us beyond our own world, into the vast expanse of the cosmos. Exploring new worlds is about more than just satisfying our curiosity. It's about expanding our understanding of the universe and the fundamental laws that govern it. Every new world we discover, every planet and moon we study, adds another piece to the cosmic puzzle. At the forefront of this exploration is the search for life beyond Earth. Imagine for a moment the implications of finding even the simplest form of life elsewhere in the universe. It would fundamentally change our understanding of life's existence, resilience, and potential diversity. Today, we have missions underway to Mars, one of our closest celestial neighbors and a promising candidate in the search for past or present life. But we're not stopping there. We're also venturing farther afield, to the outer planets and their moons, some of which are believed to harbor oceans beneath their icy surfaces. And let's not forget the search for exoplanets, those worlds orbiting stars outside our solar system. With each new discovery, we're pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Exploring new worlds isn't just about the search for life, though. It's also about finding resources that could be used back here on Earth. As our planet's resources become increasingly strained, the potential for mining asteroids, the moon, or even other planets for precious metals and other resources becomes more enticing. This could open up entirely new industries and provide the raw materials needed for future technological advancements. And finally, there's the sheer wonder of discovery. The thrill of seeing a landscape for the first time, of learning about a world so different from our own, yet governed by the same fundamental laws of physics. These experiences inspire us, ignite our imagination, and push us to keep exploring. This is a time of unprecedented exploration. We're pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and capability. Every new world we explore, every new discovery we make, brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the universe. As we venture into the unknown, we continue to expand our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Can you imagine living not on Earth but in space? Picture this: a life beyond our pale blue dot, where the stars are our neighbors and the cosmos our backyard. This is the concept of space colonization, an idea that's no longer confined to the pages of science fiction, but is becoming an exciting reality in the realm of technology and exploration. Space colonization is not just about packing our bags and moving to Mars. It's about the expansion of human life beyond the terrestrial confines of Earth. It's about exploring the possibility of making other planets and celestial bodies habitable for human life, a process known as terraforming. Terraforming involves altering the atmosphere, temperature, surface topography, and ecology of a planet to make it Earth-like. It's a massive undertaking, one that requires us to push the boundaries of our current technological capabilities. But as we've seen time and time again, the human spirit thrives on challenges. So let's talk about the challenges. The most glaring one is the harsh and inhospitable conditions of space. Low gravity, extreme temperatures, and the absence of breathable air make it difficult for humans to survive. Then there's the issue of resources. How do we grow food, access water, and generate energy? And don't forget about the psychological and sociological implications. How do we cope with the isolation and confinement of space? And how do we build a society that functions and thrives in such an alien environment? But here's the thing about challenges. They're just problems waiting to be solved, and we're already working on the solutions. Scientists are exploring the use of hydroponics and other forms of advanced agriculture to grow food in space. They're researching ways to extract water from lunar soil and harness solar energy for power. And they're studying the psychological impacts of long-term space travel to better prepare future space colonists. And what about our living quarters? We're not just talking about small, cramped space modules. Think bigger. Think space habitats. Massive, self-sustaining structures that could house hundreds, if not thousands, of people. These habitats, which could be built on the Moon, Mars, or even in orbit around a planet, could provide us with the space we need to live, work, and grow as a spacefaring society. Space colonization also presents fascinating societal implications. What kind of society would we build beyond Earth? How would we govern ourselves, resolve conflicts, or distribute resources? These are questions that challenge us to reimagine our societal structures and norms in a completely new context. Space colonization may sound like science fiction, but the future is closer than we think. It's a future filled with challenges, no doubt, but also one brimming with opportunities. Opportunities to push the boundaries of what we know, to explore the unexplored, and to reimagine what it means to be a human in the cosmos. The stars are calling. Are we ready to answer? So, what does all of this mean for the future of space exploration? Well, let's take a step back and look at the big picture. We've been talking about how next-generation spacecraft are revolutionizing the way we venture into the cosmos. These technological marvels are not just faster and more efficient, but also capable of carrying out complex operations that were once thought to be impossible. We're not just talking about shuttling humans to and from space, but also about probing the darkest corners of the universe and even potentially altering the course of asteroids. It's like we've been given a brand new set of cosmic keys, and the universe is our oyster. Then there's the exploration of new worlds. We're not just looking at the familiar faces of Mars or the Moon anymore. There's a whole host of other celestial bodies out there, just waiting to be discovered and studied. From the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn to the exoplanets orbiting distant stars, we're expanding our cosmic frontiers every day. This isn't just about satisfying our curiosity, but also about seeking answers to some of the most fundamental questions about our existence. And of course, we can't forget about space colonization. It was once a topic confined to the realm of science fiction, but now it's becoming a very real possibility. We're actively developing technologies and strategies to make human life sustainable on other planets. This is not just about survival, but about thriving in an environment that's entirely different from what we're used to. Looking at all these developments, it's clear that we're at the cusp of a new era in space exploration. There are countless exciting possibilities and challenges that lie ahead. We're not just observers anymore, but active participants in this cosmic journey. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, one thing is clear: the sky is no longer the limit.